at that. Cheers. So today I'm going to grill some steaks. It's grilling season, starting to become grilling season in Southern California, but it's always grilling season somewhere. So I've got my grill fired up. I've got a New York strip here that I took out of the refrigerator about 10 minutes ago. I wanted to warm up before I put it on the grill. I've seasoned it with salt and pepper. That's really all I need to season stuff with. And before I throw it on the grill, I've got some Primal Kitchen avocado oil spray, and I like to just put that on the grill beforehand, just a little bit. Look at that. And just to grease the grill up a little bit so the steak doesn't stick. And then I'm just gonna plop this nice juicy steak on here. And then behind it I have a grass-fed ribeye, same thing, just salt and pepper. Brought it up to room temperature. I mean, took it out of the refrigerator about 15 minutes before. We're gonna put it on the grill, and it's as simple as that. Now, if you're looking for medium rare, which is my favorite type of finish on this, 4 or 5 minutes per side, really all you need. If you want to go, medium well, obviously a little bit longer. And I think the thing to remember is it's like with steak, it's always better to underguess, to slightly undercook it, because you can always cook it more, but you can't take that back if you overcook it. So do a couple of minutes per side, and then flip it over. Now what I like to do is cook it open on the first side, get that first 3 or 4 or 5 minutes done, then flip it over. That looks perfect. Flip that over, and then cook the rest of it down. It won't take as long to do the inside now, but I've seared the outside this way. All right, I feel like these guys are done. They're looking great. I'm just gonna take them off and plate them right now and let them rest about 10 minutes before we cut into them. So let's take these over. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, those are beautiful. I can't wait to eat those. All right, my steaks have rested, and hopefully they're ready to cut into. Let's find out. I'm gonna start with this New York cut right here. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing in this one sitting, so I'm just gonna maybe give myself a nice serving size here. Let's see what that looks like on the inside. So this is my medium rare. Okay, I love it that way. It's perfect for me. I'm gonna plate it with this mixed green salad that has strawberries and feta cheese on it. And then my cameraman Brian likes the ribeye a little bit more well done. And he's a young lad who's growing, so I'm gonna give him a slightly larger piece. Again, looking beautiful on the inside. And we're gonna use the warm mushroom salad we made earlier, and some broccoli. Now, lots of different choices and toppings here. The Primal Kitchen Steak Sauce is amazing, and I'm gonna use that on part of my New York steak and a little bit on the side, but I'm also gonna use some of this compound butter that we made the other day. Again, this is salted butter with some herbs. I think we have rosemary and thyme on this. I'm gonna give myself a little flavor explosion here. Brian tells me he likes the chimichurri that we made yesterday, so we'll put some chimichurri on his ribeye. And we could also use the new Primal Kitchen garlic aioli mayo. Lots of options for adding flavor to your steak. Bon appetit.